This 2024 Coachmen Chaparral 373 MBRB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 9, Slideout, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bunk, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.